down right now, we're hitting 3 watts. These speakers are
I heard of the virtue of a patient heart, so I'll just stick around till you can tell me apart. Oh, it's haunting the way I can't keep you off my mind. Is that same mind now making up its own songs? Guess I will know in time. But I'm not in a hurry now, and if I linger on till comes a matter, let me